Hi, it's Ted Gottlieb for the Senior Learning Institute. Thanks for watching this short video. So you're thinking about selling your home, and the idea of selling it as is for cash is appealing. And I get it, it is appealing. You will hear things like, we'll pay cash. We have flexible closings. We can close fast or we can close slow. We don't do any inspections. You can leave what you want. And I get it. That sounds great. But what they're not telling you is that you can more than likely sell the home for more had you exposed it to the market, or at least had someone representing your best interest who understood what the true value of the home is. There have been more than one occasions where I've seen an investor buy a property and then flip it, do nothing to it, sell it to somebody else for a quick 10, 15, 20, 30, $40,000, walk away happy and let somebody else, another investor, deal with it. Maybe they'll fix it up. Maybe they'll retail it, or they will use it as a rental property. So that's money that could have been used for your care or for the person's legacy. So to me, the best way of going about it is to hire your own real estate agent. Yes, you will pay a real estate commission to do that, but more than likely, you're going to put more money in your pocket, even with paying that commission, than if that person wasn't there. If you choose not to go down that path, then I would say at a bare minimum, make sure that the investor that you're working with is a licensed real estate agent. At least you know that they are living by a code of ethics, that they are educated in the field of real estate, that they have been checked out by the state of Missouri, and that there is some accountability to either a broker or to the local association of realtors. So that's a quick summary of how you can go about selling the property. Really suggest that you don't sell it as is to an investor. Talk with me first. We'll talk through it, and if it makes sense, we'll get together and maximize how much you sell that house for. My name is Ted Gottlieb. I am the founder of the Senior Learning Institute. My phone number is 314-690-9922, 314-690-9922. And check us out at theseniorlearninginstitute.com.